Hi.
You good?
Yes, so
You come here.
TikTok.
Oh, okay. Wait up, guys.
Is the remote's not working?
Yeah. Oh, you look it up. Oh my God.
It's fine. No worries. So, but you can use the lock. It's not working.
It's not working.
Never.
Never.
Okay. I prefer make a new key, and you can unlock with the remote.
Okay.
It's better. It's more comfortable. It's better price because I have to take it out the door. It's gonna be more expensive.
I can open the door when I'm inside.
When you are inside, you can.
Yeah, I can.
Why?
But just unlock. So let me open the door.
See, store it. We're gonna put it back everything. Got the money, my friend. Thank you. Have a good one.